Hello students, welcome to E-Pathshala. I am Mrs. P.G. Batmagauri, working as Assistant Professor, Faculty of Engineering, Avinashlingam University. Today we are going to discuss about advertisement and promotion management. The Latin word advertire means to turn the attention. So advertising means to turn attention of people to a specific thing. It is also means to make generally or publicity known. Described as publicity to increases sales of the product. Advertising is thus a mass communication tool which is essentially in paid form of a firm or an individual. The main purpose of is to give the information and develop attitudes and include action of the customers. Advertisement is very useful to the advertiser. Every techniques of advertising turns the attention of the readers or the listeners or the outlookers towards the products or a service or an idea. Advertisement and promotion management. Objectives. To understand basic advertising in management, the role of media in advertising management, to know the concepts of promotion in management, to understand the various aspects of advertisement and promotion in product selling. Role of advertising in business world. Advertising is nothing but in which sellers communicate to their buyers the worth of their goods and services. Advertising is an integral part of our economic and social system. It most important place in the frameworks of dynamic marketing. The role of advertising in the present business world can be analyzed by social, economic and psychological aspects. The advertisement accomplishes by communicating correctly and effectively by communicating to right people, right message using brilliant and excellent language, making use of appeals to different human motives. Advertisement sometimes perform sales job in a subtle and indirect manner. Advertising is a subsystem of economic system of a nation. It stimulates a healthy economy. It also helps create financially healthy customers who are more informed, better educated and more demanding. Advertising has affected not the core cultural values but the subsidiary cultural values. For example, any person to get married is cultural value. Advertising cannot change these cultural values, but it telling the people to marry late and not in the early age. It is a subsidiary cultural value. Advertisement cannot affect the cultural value. There are many factors which affect culture, but successful advertising is consistent with the cultural values of a given society. But it can transfer some cultural values of one society to another at a given point of time. Advertising is closely linked to customer behavior. It affects personality of the customer, his attitudes, his concepts of self, beliefs and opinions and lifestyle, etc. Advertising appeals to our psychological, physiological motives. The key players in advertising. The key players in the advertising are advertiser, advertising agency, media, suppliers or vendors and target audience. Advertising begins with the person or organization that uses advertiser to send out a message about its products. This person is called as advertiser. The advertiser started the effort of advertising by identifying a market problem that advertising can solve. He also makes financial decisions about advertising budget. He hires advertising agency for planning and execution of his advertisement. Advertising agency. In the advertising world, the advertising agency creates the advertisement. Most of the large business has their advertising department. Primary responsibilities is to act as a liaison between marketing department and advertising agency and other vendors. Media. The third important player in the advertisement field is media. It is composed of the channels of communication that carry the message from the advertiser to the audience. In some cases, we got the audience feedback, example, advertisement in internet. The other group of service organization for advertisement is suppliers or vendors. The ads created by ad agencies are placed in suppliers' place. The advertising strategy and planning start with the identification of the customer or prospective customer. Prospective customers are the desired audience for the advertising message. Prospective customers have a wish and having capacity to buy a product. The types of the advertisement are given below. National advertising have a target of entire country. Example, Brook Bond, Larsen and Turbo, Hindustan Lever, etc. Local advertising have a target audience within the state or regional level. Example, Nirma washing powder initially sold only in Gujarat and then enters in other markets. Global advertising is multinational firms treat world as their market. Firms such as IBM, Sony, Times, etc. On the basis of the target group, the advertising is classified into customer advertising, industrial advertising, trade advertising, professional advertising. Customer advertising is a major portion of total advertising is directed to buyers of customers' products who purchase them either own use or for their household. In industrial advertising, it refers to those advertisements which are issued by the manufacturer to the buyers of industrial products. Trade advertising are the advertisements which are directed by the manufacturer to distribution channel persons such as wholesalers or retailers are called trade advertising. Professional advertising are certain products for which the customers themselves not responsible for buying choice. Example, prescription given by doctors. It leads to professional advertising. On the basis of corporate philosophy, the advertisements are classified as below. Corporate advertising. The main aim of corporate advertising is building a positive public image for their firm. Shareholders, employees, suppliers, legislators and general public are called as public peoples. Corporate advertising does not attempt to sell a particular product. It benefits the organization as a whole. Brand advertising. Most of the ads are brand advertising. It is designed to promote the sale or reputation of a particular product or brand. The brand advertising further classified into the following: informative brand advertising, reminder oriented brand advertising, negative advertising, persuasive brand advertising. On the basis of media, the advertising can be classified as audio advertising, visual advertising, written advertising, internet advertising, verbal advertising. The important classification of advertising is media-based advertising. For example, TV, radio, outdoor, magazine, business, periodical, newspaper and direct mail advertising comes under the media advertising. The above are the common classification of advertising. Functions of advertising. Advertising is a fast growing segment. The basic functions of advertising are communication with the customer. There is a need for information about wide variety of products as the economic growing rapidly. Advertising is the key which establishing communication between manufacturer and organizations. Contribution to economic growth. It helps economic growth by expanding the market, particularly for new products. It also helps to develop new market segments. Catalyst for the change. Advertisements serve two things to their customer. First, a message to be communicated about the product. Second aspect, it improves the customer's standard of living, providing innovative products and services. Thus, it acts as a catalyst for the future change, stimulates demands. Advertisement inform customers about the availability of the product in the market. It stimulates hidden needs and reinforces the personal response. Strengthens other promotion mix elements. Advertising performs the pre-selling of the product and makes the job of the shopkeeper and salesperson easier. It reaches large audience and makes them predisposed. Advertisement often includes brand trial or purchase. When a product delivers a promised quality, service and value, it creates satisfied customers who are all act as instrument in spreading the good qualities of the product. Thus, it develops the brand preference in the competitive market. Reduce cost. It also acts ingredient to cut down production and selling cost by increasing production volume. Net result, the cost of the production is reduced. Brand image building. Advertisement plays an important role in building the brand image. Customers develop mental image of brands that may appeal to different market segments. Innovation. Advertising encourages innovation and new product development. The innovation products have less competition, so the risk will be reduced. Growth of the media. The acceptance of advertising by different media enhances the potential growth and use to raise revenues. Scope of advertising. Advertising creates message of the product. The message may be oral or visual. It is designed systematic and psychological manner to influence the prospective customer and formulated on the basis of environment, need and other objectives. Advertisement creates demand, promotes marketing system, presents the image of the organization, helps middleman and performs some other functions as well. The advertiser helps the people understand the merit and demerits of his products. The advertising have certain objective like increased sales, sustaining the established product, creation of awareness about the product, introducing the new products, helping the middleman in turn help the public large. The advertiser performed advertising activity by economically, effectively and regularly. Advertising is considered to be an art as well as science. It has some of the characteristics of both. It is an art because the advertiser employs his creative abilities to diverse effective ways of communication. Techniques and professional talents are essential factors in advertising. Advantages of advertising. Goods which are produced on a large scale are marketed. The method of persuasion through advertising. In this, it acts as an aid to selling. Advertising will smoothening fluctuations in demand due to increase in sales and turnover leads high volume of production, thus lowering the average cost of production per unit. Quick turnover for small investors is possible due to advertising, which is basic to high morale. It can thus inspire executives and workers to improve the performance. Once the products are successful, it creates goodwill to the company. It creates greater awareness to the customer about the products. It helps middlemen to enhance their sales. Promotion. The Latin word promover is the base word for promotion. It means to move forward or to push forward. The two words marketing communication and promotion can be used interchangeably. According to Mr. Stanston, promotion includes advertising, personal selling, sales promotion and other selling tools. Promotion is defined as the coordination of all seller initiated efforts to set up channels of information and persuasion to facilitate the sale of a good or service. Promotion is a supporting component in a marketing mix. Promotion decision must be coordinate and integrated with the rest of the marketing mix, particularly product decisions, so that it may effectively support an marketing mix strategy. The promotion mix consists of 4 basic elements. They are advertising, sales promotion, personal selling, and publicity. Sales promotion. Sales promotion is an important component of the marketing communication mix. It adds extra value to the product, motivates the dealer customer to buy the product. Hence, sales promotion methods aim to capture the market and increase the sales volume. Sales promotion techniques. Sales promotion techniques have the following 3 categories. Customer sales promotion. Example, samples, coupons, prices, cash refund, warranties, demonstrations, etc. Trade middleman sales promotion. Example, buying allowances, free goods, allowances, cooperative advertising, and display. Sale force sales promotion. Here the examples are bonuses, contact, and sales. Nature of the promotion. Manufacturing a product and marketing it available is only the company's job. It is more important or equally important to make it known to the customer that the product is available in the market. In a competitive market where many firms are serving to win over customers, it not only enough if just the availability is made known. It is essential to propagate the distinctive features of the product. Marketing communication is a communication process by which the producers of the products or services draw attention of the customers or prospective customers towards their products and services. The communication is made either along the product or well in advance of the introduction of the products. The objectives of promotions are: it leads to behavior modification, modify behavior and thoughts. Example, motivating to drink Coca-Cola and Pepsi, reinforces existing behavior. For example, persuading to continue Coca-Cola once the customer began to take. Objective to inform. The promotional communications are designed to inform the largest market about the firm's product or services. It is necessary to increase initial demand. Objectives to persuade. It is designed to simulate purchase. Sometimes the firms want to create a positive image for a long-term gain rather than the immediate purchase. Objective to remind. It is used to keep the product brand name in the public's mind and is used in the maturity age of the product life cycle. Flow of promotion. Marketing communication has an external flow and an internal flow. The external flow of marketing communication is directed at the current, past and potential customers, at the channel members, at competitive and non-competing companies, government and private agencies and experts in the field. The communication may include advertising, personal selling, direct mail, warranties, products updates, publicity, etc. Internal flow. In this aspect, marketing communication flow involves various departments in the company. All the company employees and stockholders. National level promotion. The national marketing with promotion strategy relies on a common understanding of terms, marketing, promotion and promotion plans. The marketing will be carried out within the country. It is predicted by many firms in our country. National level promotion encourages the customers to buy their product wherever they are sold. Most national advertisements concentrate on the overall idea and desirability of the product. The famous Indian national advertisers are Hindustan Lever, ITC, DCM and Tesco. Local level promotion. Local advertising, it is generally done by retailers rather than manufacturers. These advertisements save the customers time and money by passing along specific information about products, prices, location, and so on. Retailer advertisements usually provide specific goods sales during weekends in various sectors. International level promotion. Personal selling in international marketing has the following disadvantage. In international marketing consists of many languages. The proper training for salesperson was given. The commercial administration staff will have to take care of sales inquiries, send out product and samples, and make quotations offline. Proper investment of time and effort in recruiting, motivating, organizing, and training a local sales force needed. There is a dilemma as to whether to place expatriate employees into our international target market or to recruit locally. Media choices for international marketing. Other potential media would include web-based marketing using your own domestic site or one developed specifically for the target market. Chinese websites are very difficult to Western sites. They are very busy and every single page is filled with images and text. International trade shows, trade missions, sponsorship, for example, international sports events, public relations, for example, oil companies, and variety of other international marketing communications are available to the international marketer. Coming to the conclusion, advertising is a relatively low-cost method of conveying selling messages to a large number of customers. It can secure leads for salesmen and middlemen by convincing readers to request more information and by identifying outlets handling the products. It can force middlemen to stock the product by building the customer interest. Advertising helps the dealers and salesmen for a new products, working and application. Advertising is an important factor in the campaigns to achieve such social oriented objectives such as family planning, discontinuance of smoking, physical fitness, and the elimination of drug abuse. To conclude, promotion may be viewed as a long run process. Mr. Joel Dean has indicated that advertising should be seen as a business investment in the same sense as opening a new plant or spending additional fund on improved package design. Thank you.